working on this Audi RS5 here. It's a beautiful car, beautiful color. Getting a full body paint protection film. Luckily, Dan's already got the hood. I'm pretty sure the roof knocked out. I'm about to get started on this door, and we're a little behind this week. We got a bunch of cars in here. Nick and Mitch called out for the entire week. It's all right, you know. I'm here, Dan's here, Julio's here in the back. Nothing we can't handle.
Tony, how do you feel about Nick and Mitch calling out the whole week?
Feel awful. They're probably like out in Texas or something. Like, I probably can't say that, huh?
I think it's quite depressing to be here 2 weeks and people are already leaving just because I'm here. Tony agrees with me.
Come on, man.
My disclaimer as well, they didn't actually call out. They're just in San Antonio getting some training for flat glass window tinting. Me and Julio will be heading out on Sunday, so they'll have to endure what we did. Start out by lining up this emblem here. Then I'm going straight to the mirror after that, and then I'll go to that door handle. Pretty good. Basically just bring all this down. Flat squeegeeing now. Looks like there's some liquid that I missed right in here, and then this just looks like some silvering. Pick that up and get some tack in there and even that adhesive out. Best to get this as soon as you see it, because if it's super bad and you wait a couple hours, you're gonna get a lift line, depending on the color of the car actually. Especially on like a piano black or like a black vehicle, you'll get a pretty mean lift line, and it's just kinda ugly.
For the record, don't try and make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow any stone for you.
That looks pretty dang good. Moving on to this quarter panel. I'd be lying to you if I said I wasn't a little intimidated by it, but I think I can handle it. I think I've done harder before. Luckily, when I do this A-pillar, Dan had extended both edges, so we're gonna be tucking underneath this rubber seal right here, so I don't have to, you know, stress about lining this top edge and this edge up. I just have to worry about lining this top edge up, and that'll fall right into the rubber seal. I've been installing PPF for about a year now. Our quality here is a lot different than what you would get at like most shops and especially dealerships. No hate, but like, I don't want to say like we're like the, you know, superior and best. I mean, we have our moments, of course. We're not perfect, but you know, we strive to, you know, meet the price that we give you. But I like to think that there's a reason for that. Since Dan's over here, you know, hey Danny.
Yeah.
Since you're over here, so I just lined up this right here. And I got this anchor down as well. I'm kind of wondering where I should go next. You could give me maybe a pointer or two on that. Sometimes you gotta be careful when you ask Dan for help, because he just takes over. I'm not gonna complain though. Yeah, man, how do you do this full body?
Early feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra. Walk with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on it and next. Whip this up, I send you back to.
All right, back from lunch. Moving on to this side over here. I got that entire side done besides the mirrors and the rocker panels. I'm leaving that for Julio. I went ahead and took care of the bumper, so we don't have any clips of that. We might be able to get some clips of the back bumper. It just kind of depends on what we get done today. But you know, I'm just finishing up this door right now. Just got to hit these wraparounds, and I'll be moving on to this rear door, and then onto the hell of a quarter panel. Took the life out of me the last one I did. But should be pretty fun, so stay tuned.
So we're about to install this carbon fiber little rocker piece. I'm gonna gel it up real quick and set it on there. Oh my God. I need to rinse that off. All that contamination. That won't fall.
Trenches where soldiers are made. Let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey.